Okay, it's just a brief video to show a few things I did on my helicopter. This is a Genius CP. I'll move this back a bit, actually. First, I got right here a piece of carbon fiber here. And this is to keep the wires, which are now soldered to the bottom of the RX, keep the wires from moving. So for example, if I'm trying to hook up a battery or unplug in a battery and I pull on this, the wires can't move from the RX much. So they're basically bending below, but not at the RX very much. So that's for that. Of course, I got the brushless motor here. ESC is on top of the receiver, and then you're probably noticing that the landing gear is not the same as the Genius CP. This is the new skids that come with the yet to be released Solo Pro 125, Solo Pro 125, and there is no need to do the modification I did to fit those skids on the Genius CP. Essentially, it'll fit, let me show you here. The front part of the skids, they will fit right underneath the tray right here. Right, and the stock tray. This is not the stock tray here, but with the stock tray, it'll fit right underneath the tray there. And so all you'd have to do is take the little tray off, mount the skids, put the tray back down, glue it on or tape it on there. And at the back, all you'd have to do is, like I did, I used a little bit of molding tape on there. Just glue that on there. And that's it. They're on there and they're removable. Cool thing is they seem pretty sturdy. Like, I'll give you a look here. So they're obviously seem nice and sturdy, but I will not count my chickens. I suspect that they will break right here on these joints here. So I suspect that's the weak point on them, or perhaps on the corner up here. But time will tell. I'm sure I will break them. Just we'll see how durable they are. And then finally, I got rid of the battery tray on this. Let me show you the bottom. I just put some Velcro on there. And instead of the battery tray, what I did right here, I'll try and get that in the light here. This is a carbon fiber plate here. And what I did is I attached overlapped the carbon fiber tray onto the frame, but I cut off right here would be where I ended the Genius CP frame. So where the battery tray usually starts, or where the carbon fiber starts, I cut all that off and I put a piece of carbon fiber instead. There's two reasons for this. One is just different way to attach the skids, but also because it strengthens the frame. Makes it, see, there's still some bend there, but I'd say it's about 30-40%, maybe 50% stiffer than it was before, because I overlapped with the carbon fiber plate, and it's a 1 millimeter carbon fiber plating, so it doesn't bend so easily compared to the plastic, what the plastic bent before. So that's on there very nice and tight now. And so I put Velcro on the battery and attached the battery on the Velcro there. One thing worth noting is that if you install these landing skids on the Genius CP, you will need to cut your canopy. So I had to cut little grooves to go around the skids on the canopy to fit the canopy on there, which I really don't like doing that. So that's a downside of using these landing skids. And I think that's it. Give you a look all around before I turn the video off here. So that's what it looks like. No more battery tray, just a carbon fiber plate, a little bit of foam on the bottom, to which I attach Velcro where the battery will go. And that's it. All right.